ink is getting more expensive because of the demand from the consumer. A variety of plant parts are used to produce inks and dyes. Everything from roots and nuts to flowers and berries, just like aswete and Asian pigeon wings.
To help minimize the cost of purchasing stamp ink supplies, the researchers will create an alternative stamp ink that makes use of aswete seeds mixed with Asian pigeon wings extract. Let me tell you more about Asian pigeon wings and aswete ink.
Asian pigeon wings and Atsuete stamp ink is an organic and cheaper ink, featuring the characteristics in terms of clarity, brightness, transparency, and color. It is a design that cares for the environment, the health of the user, and aids the need for stamp ink supplies.
The aswete seeds will be broken down into a powdered form. Asian pigeon wing petals will be soaked in water. Then, the powdered aswete will be mixed with the soaked or extracted water from the Asian pigeon wings. Finally, it will turn into a liquid paste called ink. Now, what do the Asian pigeon wings and aswete set apart from the existing ink?
Typical stamp ink is expensive, doesn't work on cheap paper, and cartridges may not be compatible across brands. This alternative ink is a good solution because it is affordable, can be made in your home, and the materials are easy to find without spending much money. It is also organic, causing no harm to the users, particularly to children and ink allergic people.
Just think and make your own ink.
I am Jeff Althea Kalunod.
I'm Shirley Maderong.
I am Grace Angelino
from Grade 12 Diamond of Iligan City National High School.